Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Aló. ¿Usted me va a dar la comida que este niño para allá? Sí, está bien, está bien. Ah! Welcome back. It's your boy, Serge the Great. Shout out to all the people who watched yesterday's or the day before yesterday's video on how I said I was gonna bring all this content back, yada 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 yada. But yet, y'all don't understand what's about to go down though. Y'all don't understand. So like, have you ever like woken up and shit and like, you know, you pour cereal in a bowl, you know, you grab the milk, you put some milk in there, you know, and all this fun shit, right? You know, you do all this fun stuff. And how retarded are you to put the box of cereal in the fridge and then you put the milk where the cereal goes? Like I don't understand. Like I do this shit like every fucking morning. You like, you get what I'm saying? Like I be thinking like I'm retarded and shit. Like what the fuck, Sergio? Like you retarded, bro. Like I don't understand, bro. I think this is like one of my like this one right here. This is one of my main like the biggest mistakes. I go in the shower and shit, you know. I go in, you know, I start looking at myself in the mirror and shit, this and that. And if for some reason I turn on the water, I just no fucks. And I just turn on the water or whatever. I forget the water's running and shit. And then I'll be like, oh shit, the water's running. So I go back inside and shit. I get in there. That shit is about cold as fuck. Once again, guys, you know, I just want to thank you guys for, you know, spending, you know, the 2 or 3 minutes of your time for watching my videos and, you know, giving me that, you know, round of applause. That's what that's pat on the back. Just remember what the pat on the back and your applause is, guys. It's really important. People won't think you're stupid. Once again, thanks a lot. Having just the, you know, the support. That's all that really, I just spit all my camera. But the support is really what helps, you know, me and keeps me motivated and stuff, you know, because there's a lot of on and off with this YouTube thing. Like, damn, what should I do today? What should I, you know, what's this? You know, but at the end of the day, I just want to give you guys another thanks, you know, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, drop a comment, drop a like, you know, yo, drop 15 likes, bro. Let's do this, yo. Let's get this going. Hold on, I gotta end the vlog, yo. I'll catch y'all later.